Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create a very simple sword in Blender. Very simple and basic sword. So I'm going to first go in X view, press Shift A, and I'm going to import the image which I'm going to model. Wait. Press Shift A, image reference, and choose our reference. For example, I want to model this weapon. So this is the weapon I am going to model today. So first go in X view and rotate it like this. Okay, and now let's model this. I'm also going to texture this and model this. I'm going to push this little backward like this, and then create one box like this. Turn on the X-ray mode, go in X view, and then I'm going to click and drag like this here. Let's this also click and drag here, and this also click and drag here. So we have something like this. So now what I'm going to do is click on these two vertex and move it little bit here like this, and now select this face, go to the X view and press E to extrude, again E to extrude, again E to extrude, and then scale it in this axis like this. Scale it in this axis like this. So we have something like this. Now what I'm going to do is select this bottom face and again extrude it like this. Go in X view and extrude it like this. So we have something like this. Go and click on this face and again extrude it like this. Select this vertex and move it little bit here like this. Select this vertex and move it little bit here like this. Here also select this face and then press E to extrude, move it here. Click and drag here like this, and here also click and drag here like this. So we have something like this. So now select this bottom face and then press E to extrude and keep it here. Again E to extrude, keep it here. And then scale it little bit in this axis like this. And again click on this face, again extrude it like this here. Again E to extrude it here, again E to extrude it here. And now we have to scale this like this. Go in vertex mode, click and drag here like this. This also click and drag here like this. This also click and drag here like this. This also click and drag here like this. And scale it little bit like this. Drag here like this. You also click and drag here like this. And drag here like this. Okay, so we have something like this. So this is our mesh which I have created. I'm going to scale it little bit inwards like this. And now for texturing, I'm going in this view, press U, and I'm going to project from view like this. Go in UV texture, select all this face this angle, turn on the X-ray mode. Where is the X-ray? Click and drag on all the faces and project from view like this. Yes. And now I have not modeled this part. For that, I'm again going to go in layout, grab this portion and then extrude it like this. We can drag here like this and then again extrude it. We can drag here like this. Drag here. We can drag here like this. For this part also go in this, grab this. Go in X view. It's E to extrude. Click and drag here. It's again E to extrude. Click and drag here. So we have something like this. Okay. Now go in UV editor mode. Select the faces. Select all the faces like this. Go in this angle, place you and project from view and go in layout. So this is our layout. Now add some material, base color, image texture and add new material. For example, I have created this shot. You can drag here. And now what we have to do is just adjust this vertex with our reference. Something like this. And if you want, you can also adjust little bit. Click here like this. And turn on the extra view. See. So this is our sword. So this is our sword which our model 3D sword. If you want to duplicate, press Ctrl D and then rotate it in this axis like this. So this is very simple sword modeling in Blender. So this was the reference I was using and this is our sword. This was the reference, this is our sword. If you want to light little bit the scene, you can also turn on the exposure. So yeah, that's it friend. This is the model I have modeled and this is the original image which I have used. Very simple and basic model of a sword which I have created in 9 minutes. Very simple model. If you want to do more detailing, you can do more detailing by extruding this part out. So this is very simple model and it is also looking nice. I have modeled this in 10 minutes. Very simple and basic model. I hope you guys like this video. stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this, also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.